What's up? Welcome back to another YouTube video. We're going to start all over again. Cameraman is Adrian and works there. And like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, thumbs up. Hold it like that.
Kill those soccer people.
So let's go. We'll see you. Wait, stop. We'll see you when we get there. So we're going to the budgies. If I didn't say it in the other part, so yeah, we might actually buy some because. You know.
So, see you in a minute. Pause it.
Alright, I'll see you in a minute. So we're about to go down the hill and it's really scary because I'm one-handed and Work's bike doesn't have brakes. There's the cameraman. I'm only holding my phone. Or should I say the camera, because I don't trust anyone with my camera. Go down the hill, like especially with one hand. Work's back there because he's on my skateboard, my brother's skateboard, and there's him and there's me and we're going down the hill. Oh my god, car's coming, Adrian. What will I do? I'm gonna pull the brakes. The brakes are actually kind of working. There's the budgies. And Mr. G goes there. Come on, faster. By the way, I'm not actually looking back at him. I was just looking forward while I film him because I don't want to fall off the bike. Oh my god, Adrian. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Alright guys, we're here. Let me just get up. Look, there they are, guys. Look. See right there. Alright, we're gonna go again. Look at all them ants there. I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but there's tons. Oh my god. Anyways, if you want to follow me and Adrian on Roblox, mine is Foxy Fluffy 2019.
And mine is 55 Adrian OC.
And we're kind of both rich on Adopt Me.
I have good amount of legendary.
And I have one legendary, but I gave one away. That was a dragon, and I have a unicorn and a fly ride rat and a bunch of other pets. But go check out Leah's Ash channel. She has so many good pets. She has like all the pets that Adopt Me, and just go and drop a like and subscribe to her. Her name is Leah Ash.
I have 15 mega neon drafts, and if you want to be entered to do
Yo guys!
Like, comment, and subscribe
To this YouTube channel.
Yeah, and comment down below your
Just say hi.
your
Comment down below.
Say hi and comment down below your username, and
We'll add you, and you can add us at the same time.
yeah, and then
Oh look, one of the dogs are out.
to win a mega neon draft. So yeah, and then right guys, see ya, bye.
So, bye guys.